Hello everyone, welcome to Splendid Ideas with Maria. I took a break from YouTube because I was sick, but now I'm feeling better and I'm ready to show you how to create these gorgeous and adorable centerpieces that can be the perfect decor for a baby shower or your baby's first birthday party. If you like what you see, click the like button and share it with your friends. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a video. Now let's get started. For this centerpiece, I'm going to be using these white baskets, and they come 3 for $1 from Dollar Tree. This cute stuffed animal that I got from Rite Aid, and this one cost me $3. I'm going to be using this floral foam, and this one is also from Dollar Tree. And here are the dimensions. These flowers. And also these stickers. These are like rhinestone stickers. I got these from Michaels, but you can use a flower mesh if you like, in the color of your choice. I'm also going to be using this image that says "It's a Girl," and I printed this out from the internet. Okay, so I'm gonna start by decorating my white basket with the rhinestone stickers, and these are in the color hot pink, but feel free to use any color of your choice. I'm going to glue my sticker on the top of the basket and at the bottom of the basket, and this is going to be super simple because it's self-adhesive, so you don't need any glue. Now, because these baskets have this little piece of plastic in here, I cannot wrap the stickers all the way around, so I'm just gonna cut them to fit each side, and I'm gonna glue them that way. Let me show you what my basket is looking so far. Next, I'm going to take the image that I printed out from the internet and I'm going to glue it to the front of my basket. Let me show you what it's looking so far. Now I'm going to take my floral foam and I'm going to see how it fits inside the basket. I think I need my foam to sit a little higher, so I'm going to add some of these fillers to the bottom of my basket, and then I'm going to stick the foam in and then put in the stuffed animal because I need to put some flowers on the foam, so it had to sit a little higher. Next, I'm going to glue my stuffed animal to the foam to make sure it doesn't fall off. And to do this, I'm gonna add a dab of glue to the foam, and then I'm gonna use the tag that comes attached to the stuffed animals to glue it there. And then I'm gonna add more glue to the top of the tag, touching the stuffed animal so that it doesn't fall off. Okay, I think now it's sitting perfectly. I have enough room now to add my flowers, and so that's going to be the next step. I'm going to be adding flowers to the foam. Now, to cover the spaces here, this is where the handles of the baskets are. I'm going to bring down the petals a little bit, and I'm just going to add a dab of glue there just to cover those spaces. Now, doesn't this look adorable? It is so cute. Okay, next I'm going to be using this wooden skewer, and I'm just going to put it inside this balloon. I'm only using the balloon because it's the same colors as the flowers, and also it's going to make it easier to hold the balloons that I'm going to attach to it. Okay, next I'm going to be using these tiny balloons. I'm going to be using 4 pinks, and I'm going to tie 2 of them together, and then I'm going to tie 2 more in white. And so what I'm gonna do is put the 4 pink ones together just like this, and then I'm gonna add the white ones so that one is showing in the front and the other one in the back, kind of like resembling a flower. Now I'm going to take the wooden skewer that I covered with the balloon, and I'm just going to push it through the balloons. And because the wooden skewer is covered with that balloon, it holds it pretty well, and the balloon's not going to fall out. But if you like, you can add a piece of tape in there to ensure that the balloons don't fall. So now I'm going to take this hair tie, this hot pink, and I'm just going to slip it through the head of the stuffed animal so that I can attach my balloons with the wooden skewer to the back of the stuffed animal. So here is the finished product. It is so adorable. I love how it turned out, and I made another one using a yellow ducky. I just wanted to show you the different variations of things that you can make. These adorable centerpieces are a great way to decorate for your baby shower tables or your baby's first birthday. You can customize them to your liking. They're very easy to make and very affordable. Alright my friends, this is all for now. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, click the like button and share it with your friends. And if you're new, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a video. See you on the next one.